This is the November RoccaBox. This edit is called Party and Prep, worth £101. Let's have a look in here. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing absolutely fabulous today. Today's video I have this is the November RoccaBox. Let's open it on up. So yes, the November box. I've had it about a week now and I've had no motivation to film. I don't know what's wrong with me lately. I'm just really lacking in energy. But yeah, here it is. So this is £15 per month and I think it's £2.95 postage. I have a link and I think, is that link a discount or have I got a discount code? All the information will be down below for you, so check the discount out if you are interested in getting it for yourself. Let's open it on up. Right, so inside we have the edit card. So on the edit card it just says that this edit is called Party and Prep. It has information on all the products in here, which is fab. We'll be looking at that in just a moment. There is a quick sneak peek, not much of one. Let's just jiggle things around a bit. There's a little bit of a sneak peek, but let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we've got. So apparently this box has a value of £101. But yeah, let's get on with the first product, which is this. So this is by the brand Jekka Black and this is Brow Seal. This has an RRP of £14 and I think this is full size, I think. It just says whether you're going for a perfectly shaped brow, a laminated look, or just want to keep your hairs in place all night long, the Jekka Black Brow Seal is sensual. If I could talk, that would be amazing. It's waterproof, it's comfortable to wear, non-flaky once it's dried. It provides a flexible hold that can be built up to suit your style, tailored to you. Yeah, that actually sounds really, really cool. There's a closer look for you. Yeah, let's open it up. What is this shade? I have no idea. Maybe it's a clear one. Yes, it is. Here is the brush there. So yeah, what a weird little thing. It's like a little comb on there. Okay, intriguing. Yeah, definitely will have to give that a go and see if it's going to hold these brows. These brows are so hard. I used to use like a brown black mascara on my eyebrows. Now I actually do use a brow gel, but normally I use a tinted one. So yeah, this is going to be interesting to use, I think. Hopefully. I might try and stick my eyebrows up a bit and see what the fluffy look is like on my brow. But my eyebrow hairs are so stubborn. Second item we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Skin Chemist and this is Advanced Extreme Charcoal Teeth Whitening Gel and Toothbrush. Oh, there's a toothbrush. 2 minutes. Yes, there is. Here it is here. So this has an RRP of £49.90. And yeah, it just says, we adore this homemade pure vegetable soap that gently cleanses, tones and refreshes without drying the skin. Isn't this for teeth? It's naturally powerful detergent action, effectively removes dirt and bacteria, and is formulated using the highest quality natural ingredients with 100% natural fragrance. The fresh fragrance of rosemary is perfect for energizing your mind, body and spirit. I think they've put the wrong description down on the card there. I've never had a rosemary flavoured toothpaste before, but let's read it from here. So extreme whitening charcoal teeth whitening gel, whitens, cleans and brightens. Apply gel to the brush teeth for 2 minutes and rinse with water. Use twice a day for maximum results. This is not a replacement for toothpaste, so use your toothpaste as well. Yeah, it doesn't really have any other information on there. It can't be rosemary though, can it? Let's just open this up this way. All right, yes, you can see the black gel there. That's definitely not rosemary. Definitely the wrong description in there because it says skin on the card, which is weird. But yeah, love the fact that you get a toothbrush with it, and I like the guard that you get on the end of the toothbrush too. That's kind of cool. Yeah, I will definitely do a video on this to see what is what. My teeth need a good whitening session, so great timing. Third item we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand We Are Paradox, and this is a blow dry spray. This has an RRP of £20, and it just says, what's the best way to get your hair ready for a night out? A little bit of volume, a faster blow dry, and a sleek smooth look. That's what you get when you use this 94% natural volume tonic. It's the ultimate blow dry volume primer that will make your hair look and feel healthier than ever before. That sounds amazing. We Are Paradox is a great brand. I love so many of their products, and it's so nice to get something different by We Are Paradox. That is amazing. So yeah, I will definitely do a video on this too, because especially if it gives volume and stuff and it makes your hair feel all nice and it's supposed to be a quicker blow dry, I definitely want to check that out. Fourth item we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Emery Nails, and it's a gloss polish, and you're going to get it in one of two shades. You're going to get it in Orchard, or you're going to get it in Penelope. I'm probably saying that wrong, but yeah, I've got the one I can't pronounce, which is great. This has an RRP of £8, and it just says, you know what's better than a good manicure? A great one. And we've got the perfect one for you. We love that Emery Nails is 100% cruelty free and made with all natural ingredients, so you can feel good about yourself while getting ready on your night out. On the town in style. The formula is easy to apply, it's long lasting, and it finished in a flawless high gloss shine. Yeah, I've received lots of nail polishes by this brand. They're alright. I generally prefer my gel polish, if I'm honest. I keep saying I'm going to try it and I never do. What I want to try is putting the nail varnish on and then putting a gel polish that you cure under a UV light on top, just to see how that goes. I wonder if you can do that. I don't know, but yeah, I'm gonna have to try. But yeah, that's the shade there. I really like that. It's a right natural shade. Yeah, that's really nice, okay, lovely. Fifth and final item we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Arttitude, and they are false lashes. You're either going to get them in Princess or Angel. The one I have here is Angel. Very pretty. It just says, these lashes are everything for a glam night out, handcrafted to perfection and made with only the highest quality of premium grade synthetic fibers. We love that these are reusable up to 20 times, wow, with proper love and care, and 100% vegan and cruelty free. These have a value of £9.99. So these types of lashes aren't my thing. I do want to try different kinds of false lashes. I really want to get into false lashes, but the strip lashes aren't me, and they're too in your face for me. I want some natural, well, not natural looking ones. I want just slightly more than natural looking. I'm not very good at describing things, but for the people who love lashes out there, I think you're gonna really love these because they are so pretty. This is a sneak peek for the December box, and it's by the brand Doctor's Formula, and it's a power active caffeine serum. Guys, so this is the November RoccaBox with a value of £101. What do you think? Personally, I think it's a good little box. We actually have some decent brands in here. So really nice to see Skin Chemist. I think that is, yeah, quite a premium brand, which is really nice to have in here. We Are Paradox, if I could say it, is a really good brand, especially when we've got something different by them. I'm loving that. The brow gel looks good. I'll give it a go. The nail polish looks nice. I'm not overly excited about it, if I'm honest, but it is nice to get it in there, and it's in a lovely shade. And the eyelashes, definitely not excited because they're not my type of thing, but for the lash lovers out there, there certainly will be, and they look really pretty. But overall, it is a good box, and I do feel like I've got my money's worth, and yeah, I am happy, very, very happy. Comment below with your thoughts, let me know what you think. Do you subscribe to this box already? If not, does this box entice you to subscribe? Like I say, my link and all the information is down below. Give that a click. I'm sure it gets you a percentage off, so make sure to check that out. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.